Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. I'm coming to you with a little video on die cutting your stiffened fabric. I have lots of fabric that I stiffened and I ironed them. So I ironed all these and ironed them flat. And I've been cutting and I thought I should stop and do a little quick tutorial. So I cut these with, there's paper on the back and I glued them on. I glued the fabric onto the paper and or cardstock. Today it's just paper. So I have that. And then I have, let's see. So right now I'm going to be making the lid for this one. So I glued some ribbon. This is ribbon and I glued it on to some cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cup and I'm going to do the top. Oops, where's the cup? I have a little cup. There it is. So here's the little cup and I'm going to do the top. So I'm just going to tape it. I'm going to tape it right there and then I'll trim it down to match so that, oops, not that way because of this. Oh, well, I can cut that off. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't need to have it that long. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it and then we'll glue them together and I'll show you the other ones that I've made. So there you go. Now if you hear like a crackle, it's okay. That's just cutting the through the paper. Okay. So it cut right through the paper and I can see where this is going to be. So I'm going to trim it just a little bit right where the notches are is right about where I will be cutting. Okay, the last notch is where I cut, and since I glued it, there's not too much fraying. So now I will glue that to the top and it has a really cool texture. And then I have another little piece I'll be adding. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down and go ahead and glue this down here. And there we go. Glued that down. So that looks neat. That's good texture. Now I have this that I had done previously. It's like a Christmas little piece of fabric. It's this, oops, it's this fabric here that I did. And I backed it on paper, glued it on paper first before I cut it. And now it'll be like this cute little Christmas cup. That's adorable. You guys, that's cute. So now if you want to clean up the back, you just got to go and trim, if there's anything to trim. This one doesn't really have much to trim. But there's that. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so I had made, I have these dies from Panalisa. They're donut dies. Panalisa Craft. This is the set. That's the set. And let me see. It's got a donut hole. Sorry, it's got a donut hole, coffee cup, three donuts, three different kinds of coffee cups. So I decided to do the little one. That's this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to do a donut. So I already did that. So I'm just going to glue it. Just going to glue it together. And it'll be a cute. And by the way, it really does a beautiful job on the front. Like you see all the little specks. And then I just glue that to the front. Now I have a cute little donut right there. Super cute donut. And then I made another one with this coffee cup. This one is from Spellbinders. And that's my go-to one. The Spellbinders. This little one goes to Panalisa. But this big one goes to Spellbinders. And I had done this cup from that. Same way, doing it with paper first and then cut it and place it. So there's that, you guys. That's how you do it. I think that's it for this little tutorial on how to do that. Whoops. And I hope you guys understand how it works. And if you have any questions, let me know. I did stiffen the fabric with it's called Aleene's, and it's fabric stiffener and draping liquid, and you just water it down 50%. So I'm going to move these guys over, put my machine up, and today's Sunday, and I'm going to do a scripture of the day. So next, since we're dealing with coffee cups, I thought we would do something in Proverbs, and that is this. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. So here is what I got out of this, that God provides for me and provides more than enough for me, and goodness and his love will follow me forever. So, and I'll dwell in his house, meaning his word, for the rest of my life. So that's that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I got a really cool video coming up, and I hope you guys all stick around and watch that. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.